Lima X-ray, flighting 175, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
American 2968, you on?
Yes, sir, we're on RNAV 8 left.
American 1302, taxi via Lima, halt short of Lima 10.
Lima short of Lima 10, American 1302.
American 2968, runway 8 left, clear to land, the winds are 90 at 15, gust 19er.
Runway 8 left, clear to land, American 2968.
The runway 8 right, RVR touchdown, 5,500 decreasing, roll out, 5,000 decreasing.
Miami Tower, good morning, Delta 2744, RNAV 8 left.
Delta 2744, runway 8 left, clear to land, the winds are 90 at 15, gust 19.
Clear to land, runway 8 left, Delta 2744.
American 1095, fly heading 090, non delay on the roll please. Expect, they called it moderate initially and then it got good, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Roger that, 8 right, clear for takeoff, heading 090, American 1095.
Runway 8 right, RVR touchdown, 3,500 decreasing.
1769 for 8 left.
American 2968, I see you from the tower, go around, climb and maintain 3,000, fly heading 090.
3000, 090, American 2968.
Last call in tower, say again.
1769 for 8 left.
United 7669, runway 8 left, clear to land, the winds are 10011, gust 19.
Clear to land 8 left, 1769.
American 2968, say reason for the miss?
It was a pilot error, American 2968.
American 2968, roger, maintain 3,000 and fly heading 075.
3000, 075, and there's some type of lights off the departure end of 8 left, and I thought it was a vehicle on the runway.
Absolutely nuts, but I understand. 2968 contact 12685, 2685.
685, American 2968.